Meet Melinda, a woman who had been struggling with her weight for many years. She was diagnosed as overly obese and felt defeated and hopeless about ever achieving a healthy body. But Melinda's story took a turn when she discovered the power of combining two things: intermittent fasting and a natural fat-burner juice. With the help of these two simple changes, Melinda was able to lose an astonishing 140 pounds in just 8 months. She now feels more confident and proud of her body than ever before. And the key to Melinda's success is natural fat burner juice. So take inspiration from Melinda and give this natural fat burner juice a try. Your body will thank you for it. Let's get into the recipe.